This is Mark Brand from Alpha Controls, and you're watching Brands, where we talk about everything instrumentation, from tech tips to latest technologies to how-to videos. Have you ever wanted to measure flow inside your pipe and not have to cut the pipe to install the flow meter? Today we're going to talk about ultrasonic flow measurements and the two different methods used to measure it. So ultrasonic flow meters are a non-intrusive way to measure flow inside your pipe. The alternative is to cut your pipe and then have a flow meter installed, which can be time-consuming and very intrusive. With ultrasonic flow measurements, you simply mount the sensors on the outside of the pipe. Like everything in our industry, the method that you use will depend on your application. So let's start talking about Doppler. Doppler flow meters measure flow in dirty water that contains particulates or bubbles, such as wastewater or sewage. This is done by transmitting an ultrasonic signal which is reflected by the particles and bubbles in the fluid, causing a frequency shift. This frequency shift is what's measured and displayed as flow. The next method we're going to look at to measure ultrasonic flow is transit time. Transit time is designed to be used with potable, clean water. The way it works is it measures the time it takes from the signal to get from one sensor to the other. This is often referred to as time of flight. So I mentioned one works with clean water and one works with dirty water. Why? Because Doppler works by measuring the sound waves reflected off particulates and bubbles inside the fluid. Transit time works by measuring the time it takes to get from one sensor to the other. Any particulate in that fluid is going to dampen that signal from transit time. If you have any questions about ultrasonic flow technology or what methods to use, don't hesitate to reach out. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode of Brands.